This is the Hello World podcast, where we talk about habits of success, habits of excellence, entrepreneurship, leadership, learning and development, and outlook that will help us succeed through life. This is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of Learning Just Made Better, or LJMB. What aspect of the CEO job do you love most?
I'm blessed with having made many friends over the years. That is the thing I love about being a CEO or any leadership or management position. It's one way to create long-term relationships if you do well. That's what I like. That's what I love about being there, being able to help people.
And on the other side of the fence, what's one thing that you may dislike or least like in the so many things that a CEO does?
Isa lang naman yun eh. I'm the type of person that does not like to be micromanaged, right? So you have different types of boards. Some boards will give you more empowerment, and some boards will try to micromanage. Yun yung I don't like. It's because you spend so much time explaining rather than being able to do your job properly. So that's the reason why I don't like it, because you waste a lot of your CEO time creating too many presentations that really don't matter naman to them in the end of the day. Kasi in the end of the day, if you're able to perform naman, okay naman dapat yun eh. You don't need to be able to detail exactly everything that you need to be able to do. But there's some boards that are like that. That's the one that makes it, because even my senior management guys complain kasi ang nangyayari sa kanila puro report. So again, if I also don't have enough time to spend with them, they also have less time to spend with their people because they're preparing reports. That's the thing I hate. I guess if you like to look at something I hate about or not like about being a CEO, the reports.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.